Good morning. Right, so today we're going to do something different and exciting. Right, we're going to do curry. And I said to you before, different countries have a different take on curry. In India, they don't use any curry powder or any stuff like that. And in the Caribbean, they use different powders according to the country. Like, come from Jamaica, we've got a special Jamaican curry powder that we all use, and all the Jamaicans, we know that curry powder that we use, yeah? Now, I want to introduce you to 3 ingredients that you may know or you may not. The first one is the pepper that we use, right? It's called Scotch bonnet. Yeah, it is very, very spicy. But it doesn't only just add spice to your dish, it's got a flavour of its own. Yeah? And this is something that we're going to use. Now, I would be very careful when we're chopping it up. And also, one of these Scotch bonnet peppers, normally, if you're doing something like 8 portions, which is 100 grams, 150 grams per person, you only need 1. If you're doing something like 16 portions, you might extend it to 1.5 and a risky 2, and so on and so forth, just to let you know how strong the pepper is, right? You only need a tiny bit for 150 grams, yeah? So if you want to cut 1 Scotch bonnet into 8, cut it into 8 and then cut each piece into 4, right? That will be enough, yeah? If you want it mild, you take out the seeds. Yeah. Sometimes in Caribbean soups, we put the whole pepper in. But once the soup is cooked, we take the thing out. We don't let it burst. We take it out once the soup is cooked. Yeah. It adds flavour and a little bit of heat. Yeah. Do not put your hand to your face. If you touch your cheeks, even your cheeks will start burning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So be careful with that one. Scotch bonnet. The next one, you might know it and you may not, is root ginger. If you know Colin very well, when I'm making a curry, right, the 2 ingredients that I always blend together is garlic and ginger, right? Fresh ginger and garlic. You always find it that the basic of my curries, yeah? So that's root ginger. The next one is something that it never used to be very popular. It's come in powder form. This looks like ginger. Well, this is turmeric. This will take your curry to a yeah, real extra level. It's not like the fresh the dry turmeric. It takes it somewhere completely different and it's really tasty. Yeah, but turmeric has got one problem. It does stain. Try not to get it on your clothes or anything white. It won't come out too easy. Yeah. And the other day I blended the turmeric in the food processor, and the whole bowl gone yellow. It won't go back any other colour. So these are the things. It does stain. Yeah. But we're going to be using these 3 ingredients plus garlic in our curry. Right, we're going to have a Caribbean style vegetable curry and a Caribbean style lamb curry. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because, you know, if you was to say Jamaican curry, it's got to be, everything has got to be authentic. Yeah? Or if you say Indian curry, everything has got to be authentic. However, if you say Indian style, Korean style, yeah, Jamaican style, it's telling you what type of curry it could be like, but it's not authentic. So no one can say, this ain't the real thing. I said, it's just a style. And let's say it is. Yeah? So this is what we do today. So we were going to divide the group into 2. Some of you will be doing the vegetable. Some of you will be doing the lamb. The difference in the two curries is this. The Scotch bonnet pepper in the vegetable curry will be less. Yeah? That's the only thing. The Scotch bonnet in the vegetable curry will be less. You can have the same amount of turmeric, garlic, and ginger in both. Yeah? And I'm going to use coconut milk. Sometimes in Caribbean we use coconut cream, but coconut cream doesn't lend itself to warm weather. It can go off really, really quickly. You can cook something. I've cooked a curry and put coconut cream in it and took it off the stove, and in 2 seconds the whole thing's gone off. Yeah, it's not great for. So normally I normally cook it with the coconut cream, maybe normally around winter time. Coconut milk is just as good.